Alright, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap video. We actually didn't end up taking this trade today. The market's PA was kind of shit today, so this was the only thing that we saw, but it gave us no entry. We can go over kind of what happened today. So 9:30 open, we push up. I was pretty bullish to start the day. I was actually bullish. I wanted us to come down. And we did come down. There was this long earlier that played out pretty good. There was this market maker buy model right here. So we see this kind of choppy move down, building up low resistance liquidity right here. So that'll need to get taken out. And then like down here we ended up having an SMT between NASDAQ and ES. So yeah, these are equal lows, but since they're formed with the SMT, they don't matter too much. And as we can see, they never even got hit. And yeah, longs did look good right here. There wasn't really any like other time frame fair value gaps in here. What the fuck was that? Okay, well there was only this 1 minute that didn't get. What is happening? What the fuck? I guess there's a 2 minute. Maybe there's a 3 minute too. There was a 3 minute. So you could have taken this 3 minute. So we have that, the SMT. 3 minute pushes up here. You can wait for a tap to come back in, and it didn't take the internal high till then, so that would have been good. I guess you could have entered right there. Could have entered right there and then put your stop just at these equal lows, whatever, the SMT. But then again, that's a pretty big stop. And I mean, when you're targeting, I guess, the top of this, it's a pretty big stop. And then you come up here and then you make equal lows, so you're expecting those to get hit, and then you can't long it. So whatever. That definitely played out, but wasn't really my model either. So that's why I didn't take it. If it doesn't fit in your model, don't take it. And then, sorry. We also had, this is a trade that I really wanted to take. So we did end up coming back down and hitting these equal lows, little sell side model right here. I didn't really want to take shorts too much because, I don't know, I was still pretty bullish. Like, I wanted to go long, so I didn't really want to go against my bias. But we come down here, we start generating some low resistance liquidity, and then we come down, we sweep out these equal lows. Unfortunately, there were no SMTs right here between ES and NASDAQ, but I mean, that's okay. We had, so this is where we were not able to find an entry. We had these equal highs right here. That wouldn't have been a TP1 or whatever, just because it's shit RR. Maybe move to break even, I guess. I honestly wouldn't really do anything. We have other targets that we'd want to get hit. So this would be your TP1, the buy side liquidity. That's like a 1 to 2 right there. Take off half of your position, and then the 15 minute is a 1 to 3. Take off your second con right there. So yeah, kind of our thought process for this was market maker buy model. You easily see the market maker buy model right there, and as you can see, it played out beautifully. Low resistance liquidity, and then we had a 1 minute fair value gap right here that was getting respected for a while, and then I wanted to see an inverse of that, and I pre-anticipated the breaker block as well. So this is the low before I make this high, come down, sweep the low, and then close above this makes the breaker block. And that's my model basically, just clear draw and liquidity, breaker block, and then an inversion fair value gap, and then make sure market maker buy model and market maker sell model kind of just goes along with your bias for it. Really just having a super clear draw and liquidity, and this looks so good. We had the equal highs, the clear buy side liquidity, and then the untapped 15 minute. And then of course it's just low resistance liquidity that was built up. So As you can see though, when we inverse the 1 minute, we shot up. Wasn't going to enter right there because we had also just taken out the equal highs. So if it would have came back down, I would have kind of just analyzed what price was doing when it came back down, and if it respected it and shot up, I'd probably enter. But as you can see, we never came fully back down, and we kept on going up. No entry from there. Took out buy side, then the 15 minute, and we just kind of flew. So yeah, no entry there. No trades were taken today. Tomorrow should be pretty good though. We have 2 red folder news events, so hopefully that should move the market. But yeah, appreciate you guys for watching this. Hopefully you guys learned a thing or two. I'll see you guys in the next vid.